Even so, Jared, the governor says he is against a statewide mask mandate, another shutdown, or curfew, saying until the pandemic is fully passed, we have to learn to live with it, around it, and through it.
So the state is focusing more on helping keep our businesses open safely and also bringing more nurses in to help our hospitals. Dennis Welch explains.
And there are plenty of health experts who are calling for a curfew or some sort of a lockdown to slow the spread of this virus. Now, the governor made it very clear this afternoon that that will not be happening. Instead, he announced some plans that will allow restaurants to expand their outdoor dining. The governor says this will help local businesses as well as the economy. However, Ducey said that businesses caught repeatedly violating limits on capacity could be closed down by the state. The governor also said anyone hosting a large gathering will have to post that on a local government website. And he's also steering another $60 million toward hospitals to beef up staffing. But again, there were no new measures to slow the spread, and I asked the governor about that, and here's what he said.
So much of what this has been about is breaking up the large gatherings. If you remember back in the spring, it began with spring training and baseball season and concerts, etc. None of that stuff has come back to date, and in places like nightclubs and bars, unless they've converted to restaurants with the limited capacity, they're not open.
Now, I also want to say that these actions announced today by the governor were not based on any sort of scientific forecast. So given that, the governor's office has no idea how effective these measures will be. In Phoenix, Dennis Welch, Arizona's Family.